Are you really eating right? You might be choosing healthy food, but if you're eating too fast, multitasking, or not chewing, you're doing more harm than good. Today, we're breaking down 7 powerful but forgotten ways to eat food the right way, straight from Ayurveda and backed by today's science. Let's face it, most of us have forgotten how to eat. We rush through meals, gobble without chewing, skip meals, or eat junk when stressed. And the result? Low energy, weight gain, poor digestion, and even mood swings. The great part? All this can be reversed. And I'm going to show you how, using 7 timeless Indian principles to upgrade the way you eat and the way you live. 7 right ways to eat. Let's break it down. Watch the video.
Are you really eating right? In today's modern world, we are more conscious about carbs, protein, calorie counting, and even might be eating the healthiest food. But if you're not chewing properly, or even worse, eating in a hurry, it's doing more harm than good. Hello, friends. I'm Manoj Kumar Venugopal. I'm your modern day wellness buddy with ancient roots. Thanks for all the love and support you have been showing for this channel. Today we are uncovering 7 powerful yet simple practices that can help you to eat the food right way, based on Ayurveda, common sense, and science. Let's face it, modern lifestyle has ruined our eating habits. Here is how most of us eat now. While scrolling Instagram, while working on laptop or talking on phone, rushing through meals, swallowing without chewing, or skipping meals or overeating. A study by American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has found that eating while distracted increases the calorie intake by up to 25% and causes poor digestion. And guess what? Ayurveda told us this 5000 years ago. Let's break it down. Here are the 7 timeless Indian ways of eating the food right way backed by science. Number 1, eat when hungry. Do not eat just because it's lunchtime or food is getting cold. Eat when your body really asks for. Ayurveda calls it the true hunger or Jata Agni when the digestive fire is ready. I understand waiting for hunger in today's modern world is not practically possible due to various constraints. But out of the 21 meals we eat in a week, we can at least try to eat 7 to 10 meals when hungry, like dinners at home or over weekend. Second, sit down to eat, preferably over floor. Sitting in Sukhasana posture activates the parasympathetic system, your rest and digestive mode. According to science, sitting cross-legged improves the blood circulation around your abdomen area and improves digestion. You can try this when you're at home, or people who cannot sit on the floor due to health issues can try to fold your 2 legs if possible, or at least one leg when you're sitting on chair. Number 3 is chew your food 32 times. Your stomach does not have the teeth. Your digestion starts in your mouth. According to science, chewing well promotes nutrition absorption and reduces bloating. Initially, chewing 32 times might sound impossible, but make sure to chew enough number of times until the food turns into liquid state in your mouth before swallowing. Number 4 is eat without screens or distraction. Your stomach does not understand WhatsApp forwards, it only understands focus. Enjoy the color, smell, taste of the food, and also feel the love with which your mom or spouse has prepared the food instead of scrolling the Insta reels. Also, going back to the previous point, you can chew your food properly only if you are focusing on eating. A study from the Harvard has found that mindful eating helps in the weight control and prevents emotional overeating. Number 5 is don't drink water right before or after meal. Yes, this is controversial, but here is the logic. Too much of water can dilute the digestive enzymes. Ayurveda recommends sipping warm water during meals, not before. And after meal, you can wait for at least 20 to 30 minutes before having your water. Number 6, eat fresh, warm, cooked meals. Avoid reheated leftovers. Food loses the prana, its life force, when it's overprocessed or reheated multiple times. According to science, reheating the food in plastics can release harmful chemicals. Cold leftovers can cause indigestion and gut imbalance. Number 7 is respect food and eat with gratitude. Say a simple thanks before the meal. It calms your nervous system and brings the awareness. Studies in positive psychology shows that gratitude activates the brain's reward centers, aiding digestion and improving satisfaction. I used to eat late, binge watching while munching, and never chewed properly. Result: constant acidity, weight gain, and no energy. Then started eating slowly, no distraction, early dinners, more home cooked meals. After 30 days of following these simple shifts, my digestion improved, my weight loss became effortless, and my brain fog disappeared. After that, food wasn't nutrition for me. It became my daily ritual of healing. Let's make it practical. Here is your daily cheat sheet. The right way to eat daily formula is: first, meal timings. Have your breakfast between 7 to 9 a.m., your heaviest meal during lunch between 12 to 2 p.m., and your lightest meal during dinner before 7 p.m. The meal setup: sit cross legged on the floor or on the chair. Fill your plate with half veggies, quarter grains, and quarter protein. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Sip warm water during meal and finish with 1 piece of jaggery based sweet. Remember, chew each bite 20 to 30 times. No screen while eating. Small prayer or breath before eating. No eating when angry or stressed. Here is the truth: you don't need a fancy diet or expensive health food. Just eat right way, the Indian way, and your body will take care of the rest. Now it's your turn. Which one of these 7 right way are you already following, or which one you are going to try first? If this video helped you, hit the like and share it with your friends and families, and subscribe to this channel. Also, check out this video: boost your metabolism in 5 minutes with simple morning habits. Until next time, be happy, stay healthy, eat mindfully. Let's thrive abundantly.